and Johnny, Mr. Glenn Estrada. We are the Group 3, and we are here to present to you our topic, the bus. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Because this is our show, this is our time. It's the bus time.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to our show. But before we get started, we would like to introduce ourselves. I'm Vivian and this is my friend, Windy. So, partner, well, what are we waiting for? Please. So, partner, what you will hear and see today is only a little bit tiny of talent or controversial. So, what are we waiting for? For sure, our viewers are really excited to meet our guests. Are you ready, guys? So, let's all welcome our first guest. They're one of the most famous love team of the year because of their killing scenes and undying chemistry. The most trending love team of the year, Katniel!
Palitan mo nga. Palitan.
Belum bahasa sabi mo?
Palitan mo, palitan. Akin mo lilipat. Ako na nga, ikaw nang mag-video niya.
Since everybody knows that the two of you have been quite a long time together in showbiz, so to make it more easy and short partner, let's ask them about their relationship. So guys, I will straightforwardly ask this question to you. What is the status of your relationship? Right, friends who never left each other. Really? Oh, stop talking about your life. Let's talk about your career. How do you feel about the latest project that was given to you?
Yes, of course.
How about you, Daniel? So, tell us something about your relationship.
Lapit mo kaya.
What is your genuine story?
Sino kumuha ng picture nila? Magnet. Hindi bang ipalapit yan?
What about you, Fred? What is your latest project?
I am Kita in the story because my mother's name is
Galaxy lang kasi.
and my father's name is Tito.
Oh, the story sounds great. Well, Kat and Daniel, go invite all your fans to watch your new show.
Please watch Got to Begin every weeknight.
Thank you, Daniel, for accepting our invitation for visiting in our show, in spite of your hectic schedule. Thank you, Daniel, we always try. For the Katniel fanatics, let's give them a round of applause.
Ayaw. Huwag na. Wala.
What a beautiful song now, Sarah. You're really talented. Yes, you're right. Please hug it. So, Sarah, it's our pleasure to have a beautiful and talented student like you here.
Oh yes, thank you for having me here at the bus.
So, how do you feel your Red and US Canada tour?
Yes, it was a great experience for me, and I feel so thankful for the support, to all the supporters who contributed to make my concert tour successful.
So, let's talk about your upcoming holiday. How does it feel to work with a veteran actor?
Yeah, I feel so nervous but excited, of course, because she's Miss Judah Santos, and she's a really good actress in the showbiz, and I was so happy and blessed because I was given a chance to work with her in that movie.
What do you think your similarity with her?
Well, I think both are loyal and friendly, and we are really